In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this render image in 5 minutes. Let's create a cylinder. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. Tab to go to edit mode. Control R to create a loop cut. We need 32 of them. We won't need the end faces. Let's remove them. S and Y to scale in the Y-axis. The idea is to select an edge loop by using Alt-Select, and rotating the edge loop proportionally like this. After that, we need to place the camera inside. While the cylinder is selected, Shift-D to duplicate, and Enter to settle. We need to apply the wireframe modifier. If we render preview, we won't see anything. The idea is to put a strong point light on the corner, and put another light in front of the camera like this. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. I'll increase the thickness of the wireframe mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.